Metaverse in gaming industry. Number 1. The Metaverse Unleashed. First up, let's discuss how the Metaverse is poised to revolutionize the gaming industry. It's not just about playing games anymore, it's about living games. Imagine a world where you're not limited to a single game or even a single genre. In the Metaverse, you can seamlessly transition from one gaming experience to another, all within the same immersive world. Advancements in technology, including VR, virtual reality, and AR, augmented reality, are driving the Metaverse growth. The VR gaming market was projected to reach $45.09 billion by 2027, according to Fortune Business Insights. Number 2, virtual economy and NFTs. But what's truly groundbreaking is the emergence of virtual economies within the Metaverse. Gamers can now earn and spend real money on in-game assets, thanks to non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs have opened up new opportunities for gamers to own and trade in-game items. This means that the time and effort players invest in their virtual adventures can have real-world value. Number 3, the future of gaming in the Metaverse. So, where is all of this heading? What's the future of gaming within the Metaverse? We can expect to see bigger and more immersive virtual worlds, enhanced AI-driven experiences, and even the integration of real-world elements into the Metaverse. As we wrap up this thrilling dive into the Metaverse, one thing is clear: the future of gaming has never looked more exciting. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow gamers. Let's continue to explore the Metaverse together. Thanks for joining us.